guys. So my Garmin died on me last night around 7 o'clock. So we made the decision to pack up, go home this morning, grab our other Garmin battery, and we saw it, hey, let's grab the Aqua and let's try another spot and let's get some underwater footage. We do have a macro set up over there on the tip up, so hopefully we can't get any underwater footage. We did have a pike just come through, just swam by the Aqua, so hopefully it was recording. So hopefully you guys stick around and let's get on some jumbo perch and some nice pike. Cheers. Alright, we got two perch at me right now. Oh, he didn't eat the whole way. Come on. Oh, look at that nice one. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, he completely missed it. Come back. Oh. That one's so aggressive. Look at him. Come on. Got him. He swallowed it out completely. Oh, that's a nice perch. An ultralight rod too. Look at the size of this. No. Yes, what a save, what a save, what a save. What a save. Beautiful, beautiful perch. I'm not going to keep the fish out too long. He's pretty cold out this morning. Here you go, buddy. Thank you. Hell, that was a nice pig. Ultralight rod. 13 fishing on the green impulse, as you guys seen on the cam. Hell yeah. Alright, drop back down. I see some perch down there right now. Let's see if we can't get another one to hit the impulse while we wait for a pike. Alright, we got some nice perch, but we do have a wall that keeps pushing in. Eat it. They're jumbo. Got him. Hopefully that wall doesn't push in. The wind's really picking up. Oh, he's wrapped around the Aqua. There we go, he's out of it. Oh, wow. Nice pig. Since it's windy, we got walls pushing in. It's super cold out. Nice, beautiful perch. Back in you go, buddy. Yeah, that wall keeps pushing in. This is might have to tie it down. We just put a bungee on that wall just to see if it'll hold onto the sled. That wall was already pushed in a couple times, and weren't calling for high winds, but clearly it's high winds right now. And it is super cold out. Like, it is, my hut's still frozen from, I think, last night. So alright, looking perch, get you back in quick. Look at the size of that perch. Eat it, eat it. Oh, too soon. Come on, eat it, eat it. He's looking for it. Oh, you missed it. Come on. I want you. going on my line here? No. See if I can get that big one to come back. There he is. Just gotta pick him out of this school of fish. Look at all of them now. That should definitely bring a pike in. Nice school of perch though. Come on. Where's that nice one? There he is. He's sitting right in the back. Oh, I think I caught one by accident. Oh, good, he dropped it. That is a nice looking perch. Start to keep jigging it so the one that you want bites. Get through all these little ones. Oh, that's a nice jumbo. He was, yeah, I want you. Oh, get off my line. Not the one I wanted, but hey, we'll take her. School of perch around, get you back in quick. Oh, wrong way, buddy. Back in you go. There, back down there already. Oh, he just ate it right on the drop. No way. Why? Let it go. Oh, right off its mouth. So that's one sitting on the bottom. Come on, let's see if I can get them to come up. They're so aggressive. Holy crap. Can't resist the impulse. There we go. That's the one I want right there. Come on. You look like a nice one. He's sitting on the bottom. Fine, you're going for it. Right off its mouth. Alright guys, we just finished packing up the car. Winds are still really bad. We're just picking up and don't want to risk my hut really breaking. But we got some nice footage. Sucks the pike didn't bite, but hey, can't always catch them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the Aqua view footage. There'll be lots more to come. Stay tuned and cheers.